Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to make collage on your Instagram story. Now if you want to make a collage on Instagram story but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to make a collage on your Instagram story, you need to simply make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account and also make sure that you are connected with Wi-Fi or any type of mobile data. So after that you need to simply open Instagram on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the homepage of Instagram, where you'll see various options on the upper taskbar as well as lower taskbar. Now to create a collage on your Instagram story, you need to click on the plus icon at the very center, and there you'll see option like post, story, reels and so on. So you may simply click on the option of story and simply click a photo or video if you like. But if you want to add something with a colorful background, then you may click on the option of create, and you may simply go on the option of click a photo, and you'll see the option of sticker at the very top right. So click on it and scroll down until you see the photo like icon, which you'll find if you scroll 1 or 2 seconds a bit down. So after that you may also select the photo or video which you want to keep. So you may change its shape according to your likes. So like this, as you can see, I have changed the shape. So now you may also add various photos on it, so you may simply change the shape again. So for the last one we'll keep this, so you may also change the shape of this. After that you may click on the option of arrow like icon at the very bottom right, and you may select the option of your story or close friend to share your story to your friends. So that's it. That's how you can make a collage on Instagram stories. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.